Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to learn all about how to grow rock cress or Arabis. It's a beautiful ground cover that's found in Europe and in California. So the California rock cress, it is only moderately frost hardy, so it can only go down to zone 7 to zone 10, and it's found in the lower altitudes, and it makes a nice clump of green leaves and then little pink and purple flowers in the spring. They love to be in rockeries or crevices, and they will not be overrun. They just kind of take over. And there's so many different types and colors. They're just gorgeous. Now the wall rock cress, or the Arabis caucasica, is actually much hardier than the California variety. They can go down to zones 4 to 10. All over Europe into the Caucasus Mountains. So they're very hardy and much stronger and colder climates than the California variety. And they also make a dense cluster of thick foliage up to 6 inches high, and they have little white flowers with little gray-green leaf rosettes, and then the beautiful little pink and purple flowers. So just a really pretty plant. You can start Arabis or rock cress from a cutting, or just take a little piece and cover it with dirt and it'll grow, or start them from seed in the spring. And whether it's the California variety or the more hardier varieties, they're really a great addition to your garden.